Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that we recently discovered, the Beelicious Large AirFryer, a versatile 12-in-1 digital cooker that promises to revolutionize the way you prepare meals. We've included a link in the description below so you can check its latest price and availability. The Beelicious AirFryer is more than just an air fryer, it's a multifunctional cooking powerhouse. With its sleek design and user-friendly digital display, this air fryer offers an impressive 12 one-touch cooking functions. You can easily select from options like air fry, roast, steak, bake, fries, broil, reheat, dehydrate, preheat, keep warm, wings, and veggies. Whether you want to whip up crispy fries for a movie night or dehydrate fruits for a healthy snack, this appliance has you covered. One of the standout features of the Beelicious AirFryer is its Max Tender Flavor Lock technology. This innovative system utilizes 360 degrees rapid airflow and precise IQ temp control, allowing your food to cook 40% faster than traditional ovens while using 85% less oil. This means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt of excess grease. It even includes custom shake reminders to ensure your food gets that extra crispiness we all crave. Now, if you have a family or often entertain guests, you'll appreciate the large capacity of the Beelicious AirFryer. It boasts a generous 5.8-quart cooking space, which can easily accommodate up to 3 pounds of chicken or 14 chicken wings at once. This makes it perfect for serving meals for 3 to 5 people without the hassle of cooking in batches. For those who might be new to cooking or simply looking for some inspiration, the Beelicious AirFryer comes with a handy cookbook featuring over 40 original recipes crafted by professional chefs. The step-by-step visual instructions are designed to guide you through the cooking process, making it easy for anyone to feel like a pro in the kitchen. Another notable feature is the wide view window with an oven light. This thoughtful design allows you to monitor your cooking progress without opening the fryer, which often leads to heat loss and uneven cooking. With a 7.5-inch wide window, you can keep an eye on your food and minimize cooking errors related to timing and temperature. When it comes to cleanup, the Beelicious AirFryer makes that simple as well. It includes dishwasher-safe parts, such as the basket and crisper plate, which means less time spent scrubbing after a delicious meal. Just a quick wipe down of the machine's exterior keeps everything looking neat and tidy. So, who is this air fryer suitable for? Whether you're a busy parent looking to prepare quick and healthy meals, a college student in need of a compact cooking solution, or someone who simply loves to experiment in the kitchen, the Beelicious Large AirFryer caters to all. Its combination of efficiency, versatility, and ease of use makes it a great addition to any household. In practical use, imagine coming home after a long day and being able to throw together a delicious meal in a fraction of the time it would take in a conventional oven. You could easily air fry crispy sweet potato fries as a side dish, roast a whole chicken for dinner, or even bake a fresh batch of cookies, all with minimal effort and cleanup. Overall, the Beelicious Large AirFryer stands out as a reliable and efficient kitchen companion that can help you prepare a variety of meals with ease. Its smart technology, large capacity, and user-friendly design make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys cooking. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.